Welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Point Tutorial, and hope all of you are okay. And now I am going to make a video on a very important matters, that is appropriate prepositions. As you know well that some words takes particular prepositions after that to express the special meaning, and many of my beloved students, as they are not well aware, very often mistakenly use the prepositions, and naturally the wrong message goes to the examiners, and also I see that they have no clear-cut idea about appropriate prepositions. Now, the question may arise that why I have decided to make video on that particular word, as the board shows that die, as you see that it is very important word, and also the prepositions. It takes naturally 5 prepositions you have to keep in your mind, so that you can solve in all types of examinations, maybe competitive. And I see my experience says that the traditional examinations, school examinations, 90% probability remains, and also has been set the word die to solve the prepositions. Okay, it takes, you should keep in mind the 5 prepositions to clear cut your idea and have a concrete idea when we use the different types of prepositions after the word die: die of, die by, die from, die for, and die in. Now let's go. And please, if you have not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Now, number 1, die of. Die of প্রিপোজিশনটা বসবে অবশ্যই যদি কোনো রোগে মারা যায়, died of some disease particularly, চোখ বন্ধ করে বসাবে, আলাদা প্রিপোজিশনস কখনোই নেবে না। যদি the sentence indicates that the die of a disease, maybe different types, just as he died of কলেরা মারা গেছে, অবশ্যই অফ, নাম্বার 1। নাম্বার 2, ডাই বাই ব্যবহার তখনই ভায়োলেন্স, উইপেন্স, অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট, সুসাইড। I repeat, ডাইয়ের পর বাই প্রিপোজিশন নেয় তখনই যখন এই মারা যাওয়াটা ইঙ্গিত করে। It indicates that maybe violence, weapons, accident, or suicide. So he died by accident or poison or bullet. Okay, now go to the third point. Now I hope you have been able to understand the appropriate prepositions when we use of and by. Of disease, maybe whatever the kind disease, and by weapons, violence, accident or suicide. You use by. Next, number 3, die from. Now consider the examples. He died from indicates that effect, কোনো কারণের জন্য মানে that may be he died from hunger, উপসে মারা গেছে, he died from negligence, okay, he died from overwork, অতিরিক্ত পরিশ্রমের ফলে, খিদের জ্বালা, অবহেলা, it is effects, it indicates effects, কি কারণে মারা গেছে, কোন ইফেক্টে, তখন অবশ্যই from. Now go to the example number 4. When we use for, he died. For we use when it indicates he died for something, কোনো কিছুর জন্য, that may be noble cause, just as you say, যেমন আমরা বলি he died for his country, okay, for বসাবো তখন for something, কোনো কিছুর জন্য তিনি মারা গেছেন, for his country, তার দেশের জন্য মারা গেছেন, okay. And next, died in. It is simply you say, just if you say that কোনো লোক যখন মারা যায়, কোনো ব্যক্তি, as usually we say, যে যাই হোক তিনি শান্তিতে মারা গেছেন, মানে the man did not have any pain, okay. Now just, and also there was no struggling mind, okay. Now peaceful death, কিরকম, he died in peace, মানে তিনি শান্তিতে মারা গেছেন. Now I hope you have been able to understand or made out the applications of different types of prepositions after the word die. As I've repeatedly, I again say you and try to remind you the of prepositions that indicates the disease, by preposition may be violence, may be poison, may be accident, may be suicide. By, from it indicates the effects, কোনো কারণে যার ফল হিসাবে মারা গেছে, মে বি হাঙ্গার, মে বি ওভারওয়ার্ক, মে বি নেগলিজেন্স, ওকে. নাম্বার 4, for something, die for something, just as he died for his country, okay. And last and not but the least, die in, he died in peace, মারা গেছে, so his mind was very very peaceful mind, he died in a peaceful mind, okay. Now thanks all of you, and please, it is my appeal to all of you, please subscribe and share my channel so that I can give the best of mine, okay. Thanks.